Is it possible to build a real brand using only AI? I work with AI every day, and it's completely changed how I create, transforming my approach to design and marketing. What used to take weeks, I can now explore in hours, accelerating the creative process significantly. From brand identity to campaign visuals, content creation, and logos, AI enhances every step. I've built brands the traditional way. Late nights, mood boards everywhere, endless logo drafts. But AI has changed everything. Now, instead of spending weeks searching for the perfect idea, I can collaborate with a tool that thinks in seconds. The question isn't whether AI can design, it's whether it can truly understand taste and nuance. Let's find out how this technology continues to redefine creative boundaries. Today, we're seeing how AI revolutionizes branding, starting at step 1 for you. AI hasn't replaced my creativity, it's amplified it, allowing me to achieve more innovative results. And that's why I'm here, to share everything I've learned about combining creativity and technology with you. I promise, no gatekeeping. Just practical tools, creative workflows, and honest insights, so you can create like this too. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I built a real brand from scratch in just 1 hour, demonstrating AI's practical power. No designers, no photo shoots, just me, a few prompts, and 1 hour on the clock. Let's see what happens when true creativity meets powerful code now. I opened ChatGPT to shape my idea. A timeless Scandinavian feminine fashion brand. A calm collection for women who love minimalism and soft materials. I tell ChatGPT, create a calm, elegant, modern Scandinavian brand for women, focusing on natural fabrics and neutral colors. Give me a brand name, story, and personality. Prompting is an art. Describing the feeling and story helps AI act as a creative partner, avoiding generic results. I always add emotion to my prompts, like calm or soft, to guide the brand's tone and identity. ChatGPT then provides a full concept, a brand name, narrative, and personality traits. Okay, this is actually really good. Haven Atelier. I love that. It sounds serene, confident, and distinctly Nordic. Now I have the foundation, a brand that feels like linen mornings. Most people stop here taking the first idea. Don't do that. The real magic happens when transforming good ideas into exceptional brands. Many take the first answer ChatGPT gives them, but your first prompt is never the final one. I refine by asking better questions and telling ChatGPT what I like. I'll write something like, I love this concept, but can you make the tone slightly more poetic and Scandinavian? Use natural imagery, think linen, sea breeze, morning light, and describe the woman who wears these clothes. Guiding ChatGPT like this gives it creative direction, not just a task. Magic words like describe, emotion, tone, and story change everything. They turn data into personality, telling AI not just what you want, but how it should feel. That's how I go from a good idea to a finished brand ready to launch. That's a full brand identity, made with words, intention, and a little AI magic. Next step, we bring it to life visually. And this is where Midjourney comes in. This next part makes or breaks your image. Most creators get it wrong. Watch how I fix it in seconds. It was time to bring it to life. I used Midjourney to translate the story into visuals, color palette, logo, mood board, even campaign photos. But here's the truth. This is where most people go wrong. They write one beautiful prompt and stop there. Midjourney doesn't just read your words. It reads your intention. So the more human you are in how you describe things, the more alive the results become. I write like I'm talking to a creative partner. I describe textures, moods, light, even personality, like soft Scandinavian daylight, minimal composition, honest and calm aesthetic, linen materials, timeless femininity. That's how you train Midjourney to understand your world. I keep refining. A few tries, a few tweaks. But once you find the language that matches your vision, the results are insane. And honestly, it doesn't take long. Maybe 45 minutes? That's faster than it used to take me to pick a font. In less than an hour, a brand was born. Not just an idea, but a complete identity. Haven Atelier, where calm design meets quiet confidence. I built everything. The logo, the color palette, the mood board, the campaign photography, even the brand voice. And yes, girl, I even wrote a business plan, all of it. generated, refined, and designed with AI. No team, no endless meetings, just me, my coffee, and a few perfectly written prompts. AI didn't replace me. It just became my extra pair of perfectly organized hands. It took my taste, my style, my aesthetic, and made it 10 times more productive. Here's the thing, AI isn't a shortcut, it's a mirror. It gives you back what you give it. So yeah, if your prob's chaotic, don't be surprised when your results are too. Clarity is the real glow up. So in 1 hour, I built a brand I could actually launch tomorrow. And it's not because AI did the work for me. It's because I learned to speak its language. Honestly, it just proved that with the right tools and a few smart prompts, you can make things that look way more professional than they have any right to be. It's all about learning how to talk to AI the right way. Do that, and suddenly, it's like having your own creative sidekick, only faster and with unlimited coffee. So what could you build if you stopped fearing the tools and started shaping them? The future of creativity is totally a collab. You bring the vibes, AI brings the superpowers, and boom, innovation unlocked. Okay, besties, what should we build next? Tell me in the comments, hit follow if you're curious about AI and design, and let's keep creating magic together.